Hi guys, welcome back, and today in this video I will be showing how you can create a PDF by combining multiple number of images which is in JPG or PNG format. So let's see. First of all, you need to search in Google JPG to PDF. Then click on enter. Then go to the second site, this one, okay? Click on this link. You will see this kind of interface. Then choose your files. How many number of file you can choose? There is no restriction. Let me choose like this 3 files along with this 3, and then I will click on enter. So I have selected some of the files. Then I will click on the convert button, and once I will press that convert button, you can see it will give me the exact output what I need. All the images will be in a single PDF. You can see it here. So this is a PDF, and you can easily download it by clicking on the download button, and then you can check it here. If this video is helpful for you, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. That's all for today guys. Thank you for watching.